Hey, what's going on? This is JG from the Kuryakyn Garage, and today we're going to talk about the Runaway Backpack. So the Runaway is another new bag that I'm pretty stoked on. It's a new design, pretty simple backpack, low profile design, very minimal branding, and it boasts about 1,250 cubic inches of storage. It's got a full zippered opening for easy access to the main storage, and inside you're going to find an elastic sleeve for device or water bladder storage with a tube pass-through. Also inside, you'll find a zippered storage pocket for small item organization. Looking on the outer front of the bag, you're going to find our signature MOLLE external attachment points that you're going to see on all Momentum luggage. And what's also cool about the Runaway is it's got a huge zippered quick stash pocket that's a lot bigger than what you'd see on most standard backpacks. Rounding out the highlights on the front are soft loops for bungee straps or helmet nets. A couple features worth mentioning on the sides include the large dump pouch with secure elastic restraint that accommodates tall bottles. The back panel also has a stash pouch that can be used for the included rain cover. And although the Runaway does not come with mounting straps, there are 4 soft tie-down loops to establish secure 4-point mounting. The Runaway is super lightweight and really comfortable with the padded back panel and breathable shoulder strap system that provides airflow and added comfort. It also has a unique optional sternum strap system that lets you adjust the height and width. Another cool feature about the Runaway is the shoulder strap system that detaches at the base and stores away in its own sleeve for easy mounting on a motorcycle. If your bike is equipped with the taller sissy bar, most of the time you're going to be fine just using the trolley strap for mounting. And if your bike doesn't have a sissy bar, we do offer a couple premium mounting strap kits that will let you mount this on any passenger seat or luggage rack. For more info on the Runaway Backpack or all of our Momentum luggage, head to Kuryakyn.com.